I'm Mark, and this is the All Car ASMR Restore channel. There's a lot of interesting stuff here about cars, about legendary cars that we have on the channel. Watch till the end.
We give cars the second life they deserve. Everything from here is...
decades in here.
The exhaust note of a running Duesenberg SSJ has been described as a symphony. I'll hear that note again. Look at that supercharger. Interior is complete. Everything original specification. Walls look clean. Good.
There she is, under all of this.
May 1st, 19. All right, let us get you home.